Hello फरायसाफोर दिनै जों आरोबाव सोंथि बिदां 9.2 खौ सल्भ खालामबावगोन जों मिथिखागौ आगोलनि भिडिअआव नैबे कुइसन नाम्बार 1 खौ खालामखांबाय बेनि उनाव कुइसन नाम्बार 2 खौबो जों खालामखांबाय बेनिफ्राय 3 खौबो खालामखांबाय दानिया जोङो नैबे 4 खौ खालामगोन दिनै नाम्बार 4 निफ्राय स्टार्ट खालामगोन दिनै मोजाङै सोलोंनानै ला एग्जामाव गोबां मार्क सेकिउर खालाम मार्क लाबो अलराइट लेट आस स्टार्ट नैबेखौनो खालामगोन जों 4 मा बुंदों थाबिथा a plus b bracket a minus b bracket a plus b bracket a minus b bracket equal to a square minus b square बेरे गुसुं आइडेन्टिटि बे बाहायनानै गाहायनि राशिफोरखौ सोंजाब अके बिराद इजि गासिबो इजि जोबथार आं नायग्रोनि बखौ खालामनो दे बेखौ खालामनायनि हो let us do this first easiest one y plus 11 y minus 11 बेखौ नायदे नैबे गासिबो एखे जिनिसानो नै बेयावबो y दङ नैबावबो y दङ नैबावबो 11 दङ नैबावबो 11 दङ only same नैबे अपारेटर्स mathematical अपारेटर्सआव जुदाबाव नैबाव प्लास दङ नैबाव माइनास दं ना ओके स जोंना फर्मुला मा नैबे a square minus b square what is our a is y b is 11 na so a square means y square minus b square means 11 square so this is y square minus 121 right easy very easy let us see something is a complicated konai complicated konan was yang Navy ko okay 5 1 minus xm 1 plus xm बे प्लासआ एखमबा आगोलाव फैगोन बे आगदाथिं थांगोन जेबो नङा एखे जिनिसानो what is our a equal to 1 b equal to x to the power m na so this is a square means 1 square minus xm to the power x to the power m square okay so this is how much 1 minus divided by 2m multiply जायो multiplication x जों m जों 2 को multiply खालामबा 2m so 1 minus x to the power m okay बेखौनो सोलोंनानै ला alright बेखौनो सोलोंनानै ला okay इदि दानिया नैबेखौबो नायनि 61 into 59 plus again mana di bawah ni tadi because yang relate na 60 plus 1 60 minus 4 so what is our a equal to 60 b equal to 1 bawah ni jangan 60 square minus 1 square equal to 3600 minus 1 which is basically 3599 okay easy all right oमफ्राय गोब्राबखौनो नुवासै आं माथो एखे जोबथार माथो निखौ नायनि दे ax square minus by ax square plus by. Now what is our e? E equal to ax square. What is our v? Our v equal to by. So ax, sorry, ax square whole square minus by whole square. This is equal to a square x to the power 4 minus b square y square. This is the answers. Alright, I'm trying to easy to I think I should be easy to. Huh? It was very easy to at the moment. One say complicated action. We should be here. 이거 칼럼냈는데 이게 basically 100 plus 6 maybe. Okay, 100 minus 6 maybe. 이거 칼럼데 100 square minus square. Okay, 이거 칼럼냈는데 이게 이렇게 하네. 90 divided by Vienna, 9.5 into 8.5. This is actually 9 plus 0.5, 9 minus 0.5. Okay, divided by 9 square minus 0.5 whole square. Okay, so we using the calendar. Using the 81 minus 5, 525 na. Mandi 0 na wala dyan ha. 2 by. Okay, we could color. Mane 0.5 into 0.5. 5, 525. How many decimals? 1, 2. So, okay, this is the one. Alright, easy. Done. Okay. Alright, Tanya. Maybe 5 ko na ini. 갑자터 다비터 바하이나네 가하이니 라시푸르니 산접 가세코 디혼. Very very interesting. Oh 다비타 ko huwag eh. Singase nagirnanay basi janay 갑자터 다비타 ko bahainanget. Okay? Okay. The first one is very simple. We to 3x minus 5m again multiply 3x minus 5m. Be easy. So this is equal to 3x minus 5m whole square. Huh? Okay. So this is basically a minus b whole square. Alright. This is easy. Number 2. Because column the and column la easy terbi. Okay, because 4m plus 3 bracket 4m plus 2. Okay. About 3 tungo, about 2 tungo. So this is actually x plus a, x plus b. We need tabita. Okay. So this is actually 4m whole square plus ab na ab 3 plus 2 what ab then x. This is 4m plus ab. AB मतलब 3 into 2. Iko column mana answer ko muna ganyan. Okay. This is easy. Way to simple kani a plus b whole square. Alright. Biko column ni de. 6x plus 1 by 3. Okay, then 6x plus 3. This is actually x plus a, x plus b. Okay, so what is x? X equal to 6x. When you try a equal to 1 by 3, this is 3. B equal to just 3, this one. Okay, so our identity is 6x whole square, na, plus a and b plus 3 plus 3, then x is basically 6x plus ab 1 by 3 into 3. Okay, so this is 36, 6 square kilometer 36, then x square plus, because that's about 3 LCM 3 1 3 into 3 9 into 6x plus this cancel out, you get 1. Okay, when you remove 36 x square plus 3 10 into 6x plus 1. Okay, so this is 36 x square plus 9. Karena within can kalau mau 2 mungkin. 2 into 10 is 20. Then you got x plus 1. This is the answer. Okay, this is answer. बे फर्मुलाखौ आइडेन्टिखौ सिनायनो हाबाथाय इजिथार हा सिनायनांगौ. Okay, all right, let us move on. Okay, बेखौथ' खालामखांबाय जोङो. बेबो 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 इजि. आं खोन्थानि मा थाबिथा बेयो. नैबे 4ab 4ab minus c plus c. So this is a minus b, a plus b को बाहाय. So this is equal to what? This is equal to a square minus b square. Okay, a square minus b square. What is a? A is 4ab, b is c. Okay, maybe like this is a minus b. A minus b whole square is a. Well, very easy. Okay, बेखौ खालामनि दे. All right, let us do this. So we'll do this. Okay, let me move up a little bit. Okay, then I'll bring up this one. Okay, let us work on this. Psi by a square by 2 plus b square by 4. है ना? Okay, again a square by 2 plus b square by 4. A square by 2, b square by plus b square by 4. Again a square by 2, b square by 4. This is basically b to square. So this is actually a square by 2 plus b square by 4 whole square. Okay. A square by 2 plus b square by 4. We have a square by 2 plus b square by 4. Same to square. So this is actually square, square, again square plus 2ab. Now, what is a? A is a square by 2. What is b? B square by 4 plus b square. Again b square by 4 again square. Hmm? Okay, so this is how much? This is 4, this is a to the power 4, 2 to something na plus only 2 dong about 2 dong, you can cancel out. Mama jangan ya, a square b square by 4. Okay, cancel out kami na. Plus now b4 again kaya 16. This is the answer. Hmm? Maybe 4 there, 4, 4. This is 4. Because sanjab na guna. Sanjab was 4. Because sanjab ada square kalam na 4 kas 4 ni square se bhi. So 16. We square square na we square by 4 because sanjab ujung na. We kumari kalam into 2 equal to 4 na mari. Nari se. Okay. Equal to 16. Mana na 4 or 1 dong 1. 1 jeng 2 ko sanjab ma get. 4 square. 4 square we say 16. Okay. Understood? Alright, this is also done. Done na ni bili. Ya, ni ko na ni. Itu simpulan जाहैबाय a minus b whole square. A equal to what? A equal to 0.5 x square. B equal to 0.2 y square. Okay, this one easy. Ni bili. We code minus into to angko ulta le fikan ni. Iko kalam ni. We are writing minus 9x squared plus y3 into 9x squared plus y3. We minus to na minus po nga gejero dengan mari nangana it is equal to y3 minus 9x squared. Okay, so this is y cubed plus 9x squared. So this is what? This is a square minus b square. Then this is now looking like a minus b into a plus b, where a equal to y cube, b equal to 9x to the power 2. So, any formula is here. A square minus b square, right? So, this is actually y cube whole square minus 9x square again square equal to y to the power 6 minus equal 9 को square column 81 one then x to the power 4. This is the answer. Okay. Pe litne ko ठीक kalam nila minus ko video den wo minus ko kizir den nila mana solve kalam. Okay. Easy. So this is done. Nebile. Be easy ne. Be man den y square by 2 4 bracket y square by 2 plus 6. So this is basically x plus a into x plus b. ये था बीटा को यूज करना और नहीं using what is x equal to y square by 2. What is a equal to minus 4. What is b equal to 6. Okay, maybe minus yang natin may kumarilin na hangin y square by 2 plus minus 4 into y y square by 2 plus 6. Vậy là formula will it. Okay. Alright, please do this. Do it. Hmm? Okay. Now you solve. Very easy. Alright. Then you are more interesting. Again. Oh, interesting. More. Very simple. A plus b whole square. Easy. What about this? X plus y plus z bracket x plus y plus z. Very easy, ha? Naive जागोन जोंनि मोनसे x जाबाय बियो नैबे जाहैबाय जोंनि a जेखौबो लानो हाया जों अके खालामनो बेखौ हा बेखौ एसे गोजौ let me scroll up okay एसे interesting okay let us do this we are doing this okay and then x plus y plus z into x plus y minus z okay so minus dong beखौ बाहायगोन आं okay so this can be written as x plus y plus z okay x plus y minus z okay this is like a plus b a minus b okay होमबा जोंना a आ मारै जागोन here a equal to x plus y b equal to just z so a plus b minus into a minus b okay so I can write this so what is a plus b a minus b a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square right so this is my a this is my b okay so I can write x plus y whole square minus z square. Now what is x plus y square? This is simply x square plus 2xy plus y square okay maybe minus z square. This is the answer. Okay. थ' बेबायदि थायोबा नैबायदि साइनआ जुदाना बे जुदि प्लास मोनबा बे होल स्कुवेर जागौमोन बेयो माइनास होदों ओंखायनो बेखौ सेपारेट खालामदों बेखौ सेपारेट खालाम बे मोनसे बे जाहैबाय जोंनि ए नैबे जाहैबाय जोंनि बी बी अके इजि क्विकलि बिदि खालामनानै ला राइट अके what about this this is very simple okay a plus b a minus b we will a plus b minus b okay so this can be written as 1 0 0 0 plus 2 1 0 oh not plus 2 okay acha 0 0 minus 1 so this is basically x plus a into x plus b okay what is x x equal to 1000 a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 1 b equal to minus 1 solve this using this formula anyway x is by 1000 okay the 2 1000 minus 1 equal you get 999 So this is x plus a bracket x plus b, where b equal to minus 1. Remember this. Now we can solve Kalmar again. So this is equal to x square, right? So 1000 square plus ab a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1 into x is again 1000 plus ab a equal to 2, b equal to minus 1. Okay, solve this, you'll get it. So this is equal to 1000, again 000, big number, plus we call 1 7 so this is 1000 only, then plus minus, so this become minus 2. Okay, now do sum this, you'll get the result. Okay, all right, then you mother move, maybe too easy. This is a plus b whole square and 10 plus 0.2 whole square. Okay, this is simple, maybe easy. This is 70 plus 9 whole square. Okay, what about this? 6 6.2 into 5.8. So this is equal to actually 6 plus 0.2 into 6 minus 0.2. So this is x plus no, not x, but this is a plus b minus a minus b, which is actually a square minus b square. Okay, maybe time to use column and solve that. Okay, this is the topic we have to use. All right, so we are done with this. What is next? Next ko ni. No, jumpa. Gerle column x plus 1 by x bracket again bracket open 2x plus 1 by x. Okay. Okay, this is, let me rewrite. Okay, this equal to actually 1 by x plus x bracket, again bracket 1 by x plus 2x. So for me, this is x, this is a, again this is x, this is b, correct? So this is basically x plus a, x plus b, right? So we can rewrite this one. So I can rewrite 1 by x whole square plus a plus b. Na? A, what is our a? Our a is x. What is our b? Our b is 2x into x again. X is what? 1 by x plus ab. What is ab? AB equal to uh, our a is what? Our a is x, b is 2x, correct? Okay, so this is how much? This is 1 by x squared plus 3x into 1 by x plus 2xx 2x squared. So this is 1 by x squared plus x cancel, you get 3 plus 2x squared. This is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Daniel ko kalam ni. 2L plus M whole square minus 2L minus M whole square. This is like entire thing is A and this is B. So A square minus B square. This is like A square minus B square. Okay. This is like this. A square minus B square. Let us do this. Okay. So 2L plus M whole square minus 2L minus M whole square, right? Whole square, whole square, okay. Okay, this is A square minus B square. So A plus B, this is my A, this is my B. So 2L plus M, when you try be a plus. 2L minus M, okay, this is my A plus B. Then A minus B. What is my A? A is 2L plus M minus. Become minus column order. Minus column order minus 2L minus minus plus M. Okay. So this is how much? M cancel. Okay. So 2 to 4L. Okay. Bracket. You like L cancel. 2M. So this is equal to 2 into 4 is 8 LM. This is the answer. Okay. Alright. Ni biku kalam kambay. Dan ya third ku kalam ni biku. A square B plus AB square whole square minus 6A3 A cube plus B cube. Okay. Agar ko simple kalam na. So bracket A square B plus AB square again whole square minus 6 A cube B cube. Now, so this is equal to, because simply column this is A plus B whole square. So A square plus whole square plus 2AB. Now 2. What is A? Is A square B into again AB square plus B square. Our B is AB square. AB whole square will be minus 6 A cube B cube. Okay. So square column of 1 again A to the power 4 B square plus 2 and 2. Then A about 2 down, about 1 down, so 3, 1 down, 2 down, so cube plus maybe square there. So A square B to the power 4. A square B to the power minus 6 A to the power 3 B to the power 3. Okay. Alright, so this is equal to how much? This is A to the power 4 million. No, 0 million. Okay, so this is A to the power 4 B square. Ni bijing million there. Then a plus A square B to the 4 maybe minus maybe plus. So minus 4 A cube and B cube. Okay, this is the answer. Alright, this is the answer. Ni ko simplify kalamagalaw ha. Ini mana fari kalamo beauty million. Biku kalam kumbay. Dan yan ko kalam ni. Okay. X plus Y, X minus Y. Okay. Biku jo kalam. Y plus Z, Y minus Z. बेखौ ज' खालाम x z plus x. Okay, easy, easy, easy. Okay, this is x plus y, x minus y plus y plus z, y minus z plus z plus x, z minus x. Which I think x square x square minus b square formula, huh? Because जोङो a हमनानै लायोबा नैबेखौ बे मोनसे expression a, this is like a plus b, नैबे जाहैबाय a minus b, बेबायदिनो हो बियो, बेबो बिदिनो नैबे a b, x आ जाबाय a, y आ जाबाय b, x plus b, a plus b bracket a minus b बायदि बियो. Okay, so x a square minus b square बियो. So this is actually x square minus y square. बेबायदिनो बेबोनो y square minus z square, y square minus z square. आरो बेबो बिदिनो z square minus x square, correct? बेखौ जोङो a लायोबा नैबे b, बे a b. Okay, so formula जाबाय आरो बे a square minus b square formula जाबाय, a square minus b square. Jadi a square minus b square. Jadi a square minus b square. Okay, so this is what x. Oh, para cancel out x, x, y, y, z, z. You get 0. Understood? This is the answer. All right. Okay, बेखौ खालामखांबाय. दाना बेखौ नायनि, बेखौ खालामनि. Okay. 5a minus 6b whole square. Okay. बेखौ नायदों हो. 5a minus 6b whole square plus 20ab minus 6b plus 5a whole square. Oh नायदो. बेखौ आं a लायोबा ओमफ्राय आं बेखौ b लायोबा आं लिरनो हायोना फर्मुला. Okay. It's like a square minus b square. Okay. A square minus b square आं लिरोबा मारै जागोन बियो. This is a. So a plus b. So 5a minus 6b plus नैबे 6b plus 5a. Okay. दाना a minus b. a minus b मारै जागोन 5a minus 6b minus नैबे. Okay. बेयो जाहैबाय 6b plus 5a. Okay. दाना जोंहा नैबे दङ plus बेसेबां दङ plus 20ab. Yeah, 20ab, 20a and b. Okay. दाना बेखौ simplify खालामदो, बे बेसेबां मोनगोन 6p cancel out. So you get 5 plus 5 10a ओमफ्राय multiply बेवलाय बे जाहैबाय 5a minus 6b, बे minus दंथ' minus 6b, again minus 6b, बेनिफ्राय बे minus जायोना minus 5a, बेनिफ्राय नैबे plus 2dab 20. Okay, so this is equal to 10a into 5a cancel, मा जाखो minus 12b. Okay, ओमफ्राय बे थाबाय 20ab. So this is how much 120ab minus I have 20 AB. So this is equal to minus 100 AB. Okay, this is the answer. Alright, ni beखौ खालामखांबाय. दानिया निखौ खालामनि. 4p square plus 5q square bracket 4p square minus 5q square bracket plus 2p square minus 5q square again whole square. Because now I'm using p. Okay, this is a, this is b, this is again a, this is b. Imagine Marilyn a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. Okay, so this is like this, correct? Then as you go for a square minus b square b. So a square is this 4p square whole square minus b square. B is this 5q whole square again whole square. Because simplify kalamde. बे एक्सप्रेसना बेसिकली a minus b whole square. ओंखायनो बे फर्मुलाखौ बाहायनानै जों बेखौ सल्व खालामगोन. Square whole square minus 2 a is actually 2p square. What is b? B is actually 5q square then a plus b square. So 5q square whole square. Okay, naipindani. B basically a plus b, a minus b. By a square minus b square. Okay, oमफ्राय बियो मा? बियो a minus b whole square. So 2p square whole square minus 2ab. A is again 2p square, b is 5q square plus b square. B square is 5q square whole square. So this is how much? 4 ni square is 16, right? Division number 4 will be p4. Okay, minus q 5 ni square is 25, right? Then q4. Okay, plus 4p again 4 minus 420, right? 20 p square q square plus 525, right? 25 q to the power 4. Okay, then another 25q 4 square 25q 4 square ni done jawai done na. Okay, normal in 16 p to the power 4. Okay, plus 4 p to the power 4 minus 20 p square q square. Oमफ्राय नैबे 4 फर्मुलेटिंना जों बेखौ मारै लिरनांगोन 20 लिरफिननो हायो minus 20 p square q square. This is the answer. Okay, नैबेखौल' फर्मुलायाव दोननांगौ हा. A plus b, a minus b. Okay, all right. Okay, बेखौ खालामखांबाय. दानिया नैखौ खालामनि. 2x minus 5, 2x plus 3 bracket minus x minus 2 whole square plus 29. Okay, गोबां नाम्बार दंथारो. बेखौ सल्भ खालामगोन बिनि भेरिएसनखौ. हमनानै लादो this is a. Not a. Okay. हमनानै लादो this is x. बेखौ हमनानै लादो a. होमबा बेयो again x. जेखौ b. होमबा बेबायदि खालामनो हायोना. बे फर्मुलायाव दोननो हायो बेखौ. So x plus a into x plus b equal to how much? X square, right? Plus a plus b, x into ab, right? B identity của nó ra ngoài cần bỏ ha. Ok, vì khúc sau column này là 2x whole square plus ab. A as I by minus 5, b as I by 3 into x means 2x plus ab. A as I by minus 5, b as I by 3. Okay. Aku column to lah within the two say x minus 2 whole square plus 29. इसे बेले बेजे जाए ना column to lah. Next time column who column reni who solve column reni. Okay. Simplify column reni. This is equal to 4 x square, right? B minus b plus minus 2 minus 2 into 2. Vamos saying minus 4. Huh? 4x. B minus 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4 minus 4 then x. B unit minus to o plus number minus. Multiply karma macha karne 3 into 5 15. Okay. Then I go simply this is a minus b whole square. Bracket x square minus 2a. Our a is x. What is b? B is 2 plus b square. Okay, closed plus 29. So this is equal to 4x square minus 4x minus 1 5 minus x square is a minus my change 4x minus 4 plus 4 na plus 4 plus 29 equal x square by using sanjam will 4 minus 4x plus 4. Okay, then 4x square minus 4x minus 15 then I will simplify with the minus tong bahera because sanjam minus x square minus minus plus 4x minus plus minus 4. Okay, then I bahera plus 29. 4x square ni x square bama jangan minus sang bay nabi 3x square jabay ano na 4 tu ni minus 1 to ni minus 4x plus 4x cancel out. Okay, bigay bibithang by. Okay, then anay minus 15 minus 4 plus 29. Okay, equal to 3x square means I can minus 19 plus 29. So this is actually 3x square plus 10 is the answer. Okay, do it again and again. Kole kalam, kebrisi kalam, kebari gusu thagan, paune nunga. Okay, kebrisi kalam, kebasi kalam man hagan. Okay, all right. Danya ni bibu kalam ni 8. Okay, x by 3 minus 3y by 4, x plus 3 plus x by 3 plus 3y by 4. This is like a minus b, a plus b. Okay, easy. A minus b, a plus b. All right, like 3y by 4 plus 3x into 3y by 4 into x. So this is x plus a, x plus b. Oke, easy, easy formula dan C kalau cipre x by 3 minus 3y by 4 bracket bracket wow x by 3 plus 3y by 4 plus 3y by 4 plus 3x ini prima dong 3y by 4 plus x. Okay, so ini bawa kadang ni a minus b into a plus b means a square minus b square. Ini bisa by a, ini bisa by b. Okay, so x by 3 whole square minus 3y by 4 whole square is by plus maybe x plus a x plus b to ini formula x square plus ab into x nah. So x square is what? This is x, this is a, again this is x, this is b, right? Okay, so 3y by 4 whole square plus bracket a plus b. A as I by 3x, b as I by just x into x. X is our this 3y by 4. 3y by 4. Okay. Plus ab. A as in 3x. B as just x. Okay. So this is how much x square 9 3 cube square column 1 9 minus a square column 3 y co 3 as I by 9 y square 4 cube square column 1 is 16, right? Okay, we have like 9 y square again 16, okay, plus 3x plus x is 4x into 3y by 4, okay, plus 3x square 1 2 x square. Okay, bounded. Maybe 9 plus this is minus, this is plus, okay. Manipulate 4 cancel. Then election change. X square by 9 with thằng y, with thằng y, then view mà thằng cái 3xy plus 3xy plus ni plus 3x square. Beko plus kalau main ya. So beko mari liru nangan juga. X square within 9, this is 9 plus 3x plus sorry, this is 3x square 3x plus 3xy, so this is equal to beko plus kalam de 9 aja by LCM mau x square plus 9 into 3 27 x square plus 3xy, so this is exactly 9 27 28 x square plus 3xy. Okay, this is the answer. So beko formula fैयोना बेखौनो बे मोनसे formula फैगोन a square minus b square नैबे मोनसे formula फैगोन x plus a into x plus b formula फैगोन. Alright. Okay. Alright, dan yang 9 ko खालामनि. X by 5 plus y by 5 whole square. Okay. R ni mo ni bato. 2 x by 5 plus y by 5. Okay. Ni bibling ek. Okay. Unify x by 5 minus y by 5, x by 5 on its whole square. Oh, this is like, this is basically a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Này bây giờ là a, bây giờ b. Alright? Alright, easy. So this is, so x by 5 plus y by 5 whole square plus 2 bracket x by 5 plus y by 5 bracket y by 5 minus y by 5, okay, plus, no, x, this is x, not y, x. Then this is x by 5 minus y by 5 whole square. X by 5, y by 5 plus, okay, 2 into x by 5 plus y by 5, x by 5 minus y by 5, so x by 5 minus y by 5 whole square. Correct? I've written correctly, right? Okay. So this is equal to now a plus b whole square. Yeah, this is a plus b whole. So x by 5 plus y by 5, this is a. Then plus b as a anyway, x by 5 minus y by 5, this is whole square. Okay, so these two are cancel out, correct? So x by 5 plus x by 5 whole square. So this is actually 2x now. 2x by 5 whole square, which is equally 4x square, 5 square divided by 25. This is the answer. Okay, easy. We formula ko identify kalamban hawana easily jeng solve kalam hayo. Okay, simplification is easy. Alright. Okay. Alright, tanya 10 ko kalam ni 2.89 into 2.89, this is square. 0.22, 2.89, okay, this is repeating, that we don't know. This is like 0.11 something. Okay, let's check it out. So let us write again. 2.89 into 2.89 plus 0.22 into 2.89 plus 0.0121. How to solve this? Square ko na gani easy. Biko na gani. We were 2.89 whole square plus, okay, neighborhood 2.89 na. So let us try to write 2 something. We will repeat that na. Repeat jaiba jeng humna again, either it is plus and minus. Okay, plus. Biko ang lead na ini. Biko ang divide kalau mau jimin. Ang mani a plus b whole square lead na gidengar ko. Okay. A plus b whole square लेने become babu plus tong na. So definitely it will be something like a plus b whole square. Huh? Mana na a plus b so a square plus 2ab plus b square na. तो नहीं babu plus tong babu plus tong nangkay ni ko expression ko ang a plus b whole square o kalam na galing. A minus b whole square jana hai na manan wo negative gaya. Okay? Makanya ang a plus b whole square ulit na ganun. Hanba, ang na a atong kayo. b equal 2 ko ang ko divide kalamba mo ni. Ang 2 into a na ay na 0.11 into 2.89. Chay na. Because 2.89 na binibrebiting a plus b whole square kalamba ba. Yang kanina ni 0.11 na ni bobigin binit square ko kalamba si binin na. 11 whole square ni because sandaba mo ni jingla. This is 121. How many dot? decimal after decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0. 0.121. 0.121. Correct? A plus B is whole square जाबाय दाना बियो दाना नैबे जोंना A बे जाबाय B easy हो गया दाना 2.89 plus 0.11 whole square. Correct? So this is how much? दा जवाब बेसेबां मोनो 2.89 plus 0.11 0 again 0 plus 3, right? Correct? Okay, so this is 3.00 whole square. So this is actually 9.00. This is the answer. Okay, let me repeat again. This is something very interesting. Okay, I'll repeat again. Okay, let me repeat again. नैबे सानजाबनाय मोनैना so this is square. बाव square मोनोबा बे एक्सप्रेसनखौ नायनानै हमनो हागोन बेयो मोनसे a plus b whole square मानोना a plus b whole squareआव ओरैबायदि मोनो a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay? बावबो plus plus a minus b आव मा मोनगोन a minus b whole squareआव a square minus 2ab plus b whole square ओंखायनो बेजों थांखाया आरो बे बाव प्लास दं ओके बेनिफ्राय जोंना x नैबेजोंथ' थांखाया x plus a x plus b बेजोंथ' थाङा राइट बेबायदि मोनाना जोङो थ' बेजों थांखाया बियो ओके बेजों थाङा होमबा जोंहा नैबेखौ ओमफ्राय a square minus b square जाखाया ओंखायनो नैबे फर्मुलायावल' थांगोन आरो बियो ओंखायनो बेखौ लिरदों मोनसे a square मोनखाबाय प्लास 2ab नांगौ ओंखायनो बियो बेखौ होखानाय दंखायो नै ओके 2ab बेखौ 22 मोनथ' बेखौ 2 जों रानोबा मोनगोन 0.11 ओके 0.11 ओंखायनो 0.11 खौ स्क्वायर खालामबा मोनो नैबेखौ मोनगोन जोङो ओंखायनो मिलायबाय दाना a square plus ab plus b square जाबायना बियो ओंखायनो बेयाव लाबोबाय 2.89 plus 0.11 मानोना this is b this is a finally you get this alright माबाफोर डाउट दङबा कमेन्ट सेक्सनाव लिंहर आं डाइरेक्ट 1-to-1 रायज्लायनो हागोन डेम' खालामफिननो हागोन आं 1-to-1 डाइरेक्ट अनलाइन डेम' खालामगोन आं अके इन्टारेक्टिभ नोङो डाउट थालाङोबा कमेन्ट सेक्सनाव लिर आं डाइरेक्ट 1-to-1 डिसकास खालामगोन अके but this is very important दानिया 11 खौ खालामनि नैबे 0.25 बेनिफ्राय -2 0.5 then 3.5 then 12.25 maybe minus dong maybe plus dong so this could be something like this is a square minus 2 dongkhayo then ab plus b square बेबायदि गाव मिलायहोनो नागिर ओके मानोना बाव 0.5 होथारदों 0.5 नि स्क्वायरा बेसेबां This is 0.5 into 0.5 5525 मोनसे डेसिमलनि उनाव मोनसे दङ 1 2 ओके ओंखायनो बेनि स्क्वायरा बे so this is basically let's me 0.25 minus 2 into 0.5 into 3.5 plus 12.25 divided by 3 so this is basically maybe 0.5 whole square minus 2 into 0.5 into 3.5 there 3.5 plus आंनो b square नांगौ but this is my b ना 3.5 whole square Then 3.5 ku shanani next ni say square kalamba shamone. 5, 2, 15, 17, right? Okay. 15, 9, 10. This is 5, unify 2, unify 2, 1. So 1, 2. 12.25. 12.25. So this is 3.5 whole square. Now easy. This is a square minus b square. A square minus b square formula होता है है ना लेकिन देखो what is our a? Our a is 0.5. What is our b? Our b is 3.5. Okay, this is whole square, correct? So this is how much now? Minus kalau mau someone getting a minus 3.0 whole square, right? So this is how much? Minus ke square kalau mau yang 9 when get. So this is divide kalau mau someone. You get how much? 3, right? Okay, this is the answer. 3 is the answer. बेबायदि थानाय मोनोबा बबेबा मोनसे फर्मुला होनो नागिरो बेयाव 2 मोनबाथाय हमनो हाखादो definitely this is something like a plus b whole square नङाबा a minus b whole square. Okay, बेयाव मोनसे स्क्वायर थायोबा जाखाबाय बे a minus b whole square मानोना जोंहा नैबाव माइनास दं. Okay, ओंखायनो बेबायदि फर्मुलाखौ मिलायनो थाखाय नाजा. नाजा. Okay, all right. दानिया नै 12 खौ खालामनि 4.68 into 4.68 means a square because of the a लायोबा. Okay, minus 3.32 into 3.32 definitely this is b square. Easy, a square minus b square formula लिखते. Okay, so this is a square minus b square, correct? So this is equal to a plus b into a minus b, right? Okay, so let us write 4.68 into 4.68 minus 3.32 into 3.32 divided by 1.36. So this is equal to 4.68 whole square minus 3.32 whole square divided by 1.36, correct? So this is actually 1.36 because a laiba b laiba madagan a plus b 4.68 plus 3.32 into bracket a minus b 4.68 minus 3.32. Okay, so this is how much? 1.36 with the above someone 10 10 benefit 7 again 8 na 8.00 8.00 into baby Shanghai dan koma 4.68 minus 3.32 how much? This is 6 divided by 3 divided by 1 1.36. Okay, then एक ही जगह है ना इको नहीं भी 10 4.68 plus 3.32 we will get actually 8. So we like by AK. So how much we are getting? This is actually 8.00. This is the answer. All right. 4.68 into 4.68 money 4.68 square, correct? Minus 1.32 3.32 into 3.32 becomes square column by. Okay, a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. Okay, Simplify खालामबा बेखौ 8 मोनगोन, नैबेखौ जोङो 1.36, गोजौआव 1.36, गाहायाव 1.36 cancel out जाबाय. So finally we get this. Alright, this is the answer. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, ओमफ्राय मा दंबावो? Alright, 6 आथ' गैला. Okay, 6 खौ खालामजोब्बाय जोङो. दानिया 7. Okay, the 7 ओमफ्राय 8 दंबावो ना? 7 and 8 खौ भिडिअ'आ गोलाव जागोन, ओंखायनो खालामबा नेक्स्ट भिडिअ'आव जोङो नैबे 7 आरो 8 खौ खालामगोन. नेक्स्ट भिडिअ'आव 7 and 8 खौ खालामगोन जोङो. नेक्स्ट भिडिअ खालामगोन. अके, मोजाङै फराय, एग्जाम खाथिसै ना, मोजाङै फराय, खालामबाय था, प्रेक्टिस खालामबाय थानांगौ हो मेथामेटिक्सआ. प्रेक्टिस खालामाबा बावो, बेनिफ्राय कनफिउजन जायो, गोनो गोथो जायो, ओमफ्राय मिस्टेक खालामगोन एग्जामाव. ओंखायनो प्रेक्टिस खालामनांगौ, गले खालामनांगौ, 5 टाइम्स खालाम, होमबाथाय क्लियार जाथारगोन, मोजाङै लिरनो हागोन. Alright then, see you, bye bye, all the best, thank you.